Okay, next we'll cover what is an ICO or TGE. An ICO is short for initial coin offering, kind of like initial public offering, which is a early stock offering. Sometimes they're called token generation events because technically the token is being generated and the event is the sale or the announcement of the sale. So that's kind of a common way of describing it. Sometimes to kind of distinguish away from an offering of sale of an investment, some outfits will name it a token generation event. Either is fine. Generally what happens is the token code is created upon the Ethereum blockchain. And Ethereum is a platform which was extended for that period. So for that purpose, So that's kind of part of the roadmap of Ethereum and what people are using it for. It's important to notice the difference between a coin and a token. A coin generally has its own blockchain, and a token is built upon a blockchain that already exists. So in most cases, an ICO is going to be built upon the Ethereum blockchain. So it's a token built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Usually, technically, it's a sale for tokens distributed in a future at a future date. So it's kind of like a contract for a future delivery of tokens, and those tokens can be created by whatever company for whatever purpose on whatever platform. So there are instances where the tokens are distributed immediately, but a lot of times they're going to be after the sale or at a future date. And this announcement, this ICO TGE thing, is an announcement to investors. Say, hey, we're coming, we're here, we have this really cool technology, it's a really great idea, we've assembled this great team, and we're going to do it, right? And so that's what the ICO is for, and it's to raise money. So it's money and awareness. So then the money in turn is used to develop the product, further the product, take it from alpha, beta phase and testing to a full product in all its glory, right, along the roadmap. And so at times there are going to be situations where the product actually exists and they're maybe extending features, or there will just be a concept. So maybe nothing more than screenshots, or UX UI design. So one of the benefits is that you'll be able to create an early adopter base, maybe drawing a user base that wouldn't have even known about your product had you not been involved in the crypto space. So that's one of the advantages. And so as an investor is basically betting on the team, the future product, and the idea of the token as an investment. So it's kind of like you not only just bet on, hey, will this work? Is this a great idea? You're looking at this team and saying, hey, do I think these guys can pull this off, right? Based on track record, skill sets, the combination of them all, and the combination of the advisors. So those are things you want to take into consideration. So technically, all you would really need is the code, a site, and a great idea, right? And so we'll get deeper into more specifics of how to be successful in creating one of these, but those are the bare requirements. So, but we want to do a lot better than the bare requirements. So that's the whole point of taking this course. We'll show you how to do each bit right so that you can be successful.